problems and how it is associated with the health in a the good way or in a bad way. According to World Health Organization, what we say, minimum calorie intake all over the world, that is 2500 calories per day per person is required. Though in some cases you will see the 2100 calories are there, then 2200 calories are there for the expecting mothers or the pregnant ladies. The calories are different, but on an average, if I say the minimum calorie intake, that is 2500 per day per person, that is required on a long term basis. Now when we say the person is undernourished, that simply means if a person receives less than 90% of this minimum calorie intake on a long term basis. That doesn't mean if a person doesn't eat 2500 calories every day, or he or she is going to be undernourished. Undernourished means on a long term basis, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, like for a longer time, for a 6 month, you are not taking proper diet, you are taking less than 90% of this minimum calorie intake, then the person is said to be undernourished, right? And if a person receives less than 80% of this minimum calorie intake on a long term basis, then the person is said to be critically undernourished. Now this simply means when a person is critical undernourished, that person doesn't live a very active and productive life. It doesn't lead to the death. Of course, on the long run, that death can be there, but yes, the person who are undernourished, they are okay, but they don't lead a very active and productive life, right? So undernourishment, you can see in this picture, the undernourishment is a bigger problem in India, and this in this picture you can see it clearly. Then we